Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bowser. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a bump for the top of the nose. Then let's add 2 curves underneath for the nostrils. Now from both sides, let's draw a large curve out and back in for the cheeks. Now top on top, and let's draw the eyes. On top of the nose, let's draw 2 curves up. And then let's hop up from the bottom and let's draw a wavy line up and down for the eyebrows. Then let's curve it up from the ends. Now let's add another small curve out and a wavy line back in towards the center. Now underneath each of the eyebrows, let's draw 2 curves down for the eyes. And then let's draw a curve down and back up. And color them both in black. Now let's add the top of the head. At the top, let's draw a curve across in between the eyebrows. And then let's hop down and curve it down on both sides. Now let's hop back down underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 curves out and up. Then underneath, let's draw a V-shaped point on both sides for the teeth. Now let's hop out and let's draw a small angled line down from the sides. And then a curve across, bringing it behind the teeth, like this. Now let's hop out and let's draw a bump down on both sides. Then let's curve it out and back in, meeting at the center for the chin. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and we're going to draw the horns. Let's start on top next to the eyebrows and let's draw a curve up and bring it back down underneath. Now on top of the head, let's draw the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a long curve up, dip it down and up again. And then a curve in underneath. Now let's add another wavy piece out and back in. And one more curve down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the arms. Let's start next to the cheeks and let's draw a bump out on both sides. Then let's hop down and let's draw a curve. And then another curve on top, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw an oval. Then a partial oval near the top. And then on the bottom, let's draw a bump on the outside. Now we're going to add the bracelets at the wrists. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw 2 curves down and close it off at the bottom. Now let's add a curve at the top and then one up from the bottom. Now let's continue drawing the left arm. Let's start on the left and we're going to draw a large curve down and back up. And then let's hop over to the right and let's draw a curve up for the hand. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a curve down and curve it up on the left. And add a bump inside at the bottom. Now for the right arm, let's draw another curve down and back up in the same way as the other side. And then inside each of the arms, let's draw 3 bumps across. And 2 more underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and let's continue drawing the body. Let's start underneath each of the arms and let's draw a small curve down. And then a larger curve out and back in for the legs. Now at the bottom, let's hop up and let's draw a curve across in the center. Now on top, let's draw the belly patch by drawing a large U-shaped curve down and back up like this. And then let's add some curved stripes across inside. Next, let's hop out, and on each of the knees, let's draw some bumps across. And 2 more underneath. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's start by drawing a bump down on both sides. Then let's draw the first toe with a curve out and back in. Another one in the same way next to it. And then 1 more. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw 2 curves down. And then bring it out underneath. And then let's add a curve inside each of the toes for the toenails. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move back up and let's draw the shell. Let's start on top, underneath the horns, and let's draw a curve down. And then another curve on top, meeting at a point. Now at the bottom, let's curve it up and then bring it all the way down to the legs. Now let's add some spikes. We'll start with a large one at the top. One coming out from each side. And then 1 more near the bottom. And that's it for the shell. Now let's add the tail. Let's start on the bottom left next to the leg and let's draw a point up and back down. And then curve it in at the bottom. Now let's hop to the left and let's draw an angle out and then bring it back in underneath. And that's it for Bowser. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!